You cannot have a successful city without a successful public school district. We have needs for technology, we have needs for uniforms, we have needs for after-school programs, we have needs for field trips. So at the Detroit Public Schools Foundation, we've established 4 priority areas: early childhood education and literacy, career pathways, STEAM, which stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, as well as experiences beyond the classroom.
After you get your license, we let you fly a big commercial drone.
We're at Davis Aerospace Technical High School. We have a flight training classroom where students are very focused on the aviation industry. They might be the next Delta pilot. They might be working on the next new jet from Boeing, and so we really try to prepare them for the world.
Detroit is changing very quickly, and our children need to be prepared for college and career when they walk out the door in the 12th grade. And so that's why it's important. And everyone who has a stake in this city, who lives and works and plays in this city, help us gather the resources that we need to educate these children who deserve the very, very best.